What's happening, guys? 2007 Jeep Wrangler here. If you're curious of how to change the lighting, if you need to increase the lighting of your dash cluster, very simple. Now you'll notice, there'll be like, if the lights are off, if your headlights are off, then you'll see full lighting on the display. But if you turn them on, and if yours looks kind of dim like that right there, that means you need to change this dial right here. Just rotate it forward and watch right there. Okay, you can go all the way to right before it stops. There'll be one additional click. That's interior lights on and everything, and that'll be as bright as I can get. But interior lights are off if you turn it to one notch down, and then you can adjust as needed, just like that. But yeah, be careful. If you turn it all the way forward, that means your interior lights are also on. And you would kill your battery if you try to leave the Jeep like that. So bring it one notch back from that and adjust however you see fit. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, classic cars, golf carts, motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, all kinds of stuff on the channel. So please like, subscribe, follow, and you'll have a great day.